Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to create a voice call link in WhatsApp on your PC. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process to easily create a voice call link and stay connected with your loved ones. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Click on the phone icon from the left menu. Step 3. Click on Create Call Link. Step 4. From the drop-down menu under Call Type, choose Voice. Step 5. Copy the link and send it to the people you want. Creating a voice call link in WhatsApp on your PC is as simple as that. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to initiate voice calls effortlessly. Stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues, no matter where they are. To recap, open WhatsApp, click on the phone icon from the left menu, select Create Call Link, choose Voice as the call type from the drop-down menu, and finally, copy the link and send it to the desired recipients. It's that easy. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of creating a voice call link in WhatsApp on your PC. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Stay connected and enjoy hassle-free voice calls with WhatsApp on your PC. Until next time, take care and happy calling.